Alright, y'all, shit. Thursday Night Thunder. We're out here at Irwindale. Even though my last video was here, we were at the Origins meet. I just posted that one today, but this will be getting posted on Tuesday or what, I don't know. But this video coming soon, alright? I was just here for Origins. It was pretty lit. But now we're here just for Thursday night. See what other stuff they got. Take it easy, just chill, and hopefully we see some cool stuff. Stay tuned. Now, yeah, I know I always come to the drifting side to show you guys what we got. But today, I ain't gonna lie, it ain't like that Origins day. See, I don't wanna be that guy, but bunch of shit that basically shouldn't be drifting, I would say. We got a good one. I respect this one right here. Like a lot of that other shit, bro, no disrespect. Just leave it at home, bro, like, for real. This I respect. See, you got the 350. Got another 350. You got a smoked out, like, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we want to see. Now, this shit right here is beat up, but still fire. You know, what motor you got? Fully gutted inside. The whole trunk is cut up. Shit is sick. That's what I need right here. I want one of these. This one crazy race ready Mustang right here. It says crazy boost, sounding ridiculous. And they got this one right here too. This one's pretty sick. I already know that color's gotta be one of my favorites. Hands down. That lime green is fire. Now I'm not sure we ever seen this car here. I feel like we did next to a Lamborghini one day, a Urus. Not sure if it's the same guy, but this is sick. It's a Ferrari, so you already know. Gotta be instantly one of the better cars here. But to make things even spicier, it's Ferrari. Sheppy. Sheepy, Sheppy, however you want to call it, but this car is sick. Top of that, we also got the R8 here. Also got the Sheppy on it. This is sick. I heard it before when it was racing, but he's done racing now. But this is definitely sick. Now this is a Troquita station. This is where we always stay away from, right? They may be cool, they may be fast, but the Troquita section is off limits. That's one section I don't ever touch. I do the Hondas, I do the European. I don't touch the Troquita. That's a dub. That's gonna do it for this one. Came, seen whatever the hell they had. It was kind of a slow day, but at this point, it don't even matter. We gotta be somewhere 7 days a week filming something. Did see a couple cool cars today, so can't really be mad. But that being said, you already know, like, comment, subscribe, show some support. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.